As the sun rises over the golden savannah, gently he wakes his lioness and their two playful cubs. The cubs yawn and stretch. With a soft roar, the king greets the dawn. Together, the family walks through tall grass. The lioness tends to her cubs with quiet affection. One playful cub climbs onto the king's back. Above them, the trees rustle with wind. The cubs chase butterflies through morning light. They rest beneath an ancient tree. Later, the king watches over his family from a rock. The cubs wrestle in the grass. They follow their father to the water's edge. Their reflections shimmer in the cool stream. A herd of elephants passes by. One cub chases a bird. The lioness naps under the tree's shadow. The savannah breathes slowly, vast and full of life. A young cub lets out a tiny roar beside his father. The Lion King nuzzles his mate. Later that day, the family explores a field. The cubs leap and hide. The king leads them up a hill. Below, the lioness watches, eyes full of pride. Together they nap in the sun. A cub rests on his mother's paws. A gentle breeze moves through the grass. They wander beneath hanging vines. The king and lioness sit close. A butterfly lands on a cub's nose. As the sun sets, the family walks. One cub stumbles and the lioness is there. The king looks on, proud. They climb a tall rock. The cubs reach the top first. They sit together, eyes fixed on the land. Wind stirs the king's mane. Night falls, and they curl into each other. The king licks his cubs one by one. Above them, stars shine down on the wild.